Dreams.
Cutting-edge powertrain technology that realizes both fun to drive and excellent fuel economy. Honda's Earth Dreams technology. Now, Honda presents 3 new iVTEC engines based on Earth Dreams technology. A 1.3-liter engine that offers top-level fuel economy in its class. A 1.5-liter direct injection engine for high output and high environmental performance. And a 1.5-liter engine that maximizes fuel economy and dynamic performance by adopting electromotive technology. New transmissions were also developed for better powertrain performance. A continuously variable transmission CVT that is lighter and offers a wider range of gear ratios. An improved manual transmission that boosts acceleration in the mid-speed range. And a compact, lightweight dual-clutch transmission with integrated electric motor. These all-new Earth Dreams technology engines and transmissions were developed together with an all-new vehicle platform. While complying with high safety standards in many countries around the world, this new platform also provides the flexibility to accommodate a variety of models. With the newly designed platform, Honda combines attractive styling with the most spacious interior in its class. The new Fit combines energy efficiency with dynamic performance unlike any other car in its class. Honda's sport hybrid systems are rooted in Earth Dreams technology. The new Fit Hybrid features an intelligent dual-clutch drive, IDCD. The highly efficient one-motor hybrid IDCD system offers exhilarating performance and superior fuel economy. The new Fit Hybrid is powered by a highly efficient 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle DOHC iVTEC engine, which is coupled with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with an electric motor integrated directly into the system. This transmission has 2 dry clutches. One works with odd-numbered gears, the other with even-numbered gears. The odd and even plates work together to not only provide seamless gear changes without interrupting power, but also fast and smooth downshifting. This configuration also enables the engine and motor to drive different gears while in hybrid drive mode. In EV drive mode, only the motor is used to power the vehicle, and also enables the engine to be started by engaging the clutch. The IDCD system provides efficiency that rivals even that of a manual transmission while delivering superior fuel economy. This technology is topped off by a compact, lightweight, and high-output intelligent power unit containing a lithium-ion battery, and a control unit that coordinates the efficient operation of these devices. When power from the engine isn't needed, the dual clutches disengage the engine, and the batteries provide power to the electric motor for superior fuel efficiency in EV drive mode. When the driver accelerates, the engine is immediately engaged and enters hybrid drive mode. The engine sound perfectly matches the quick acceleration, resulting in a fun-to-drive experience. When the car cruises at the speed of up to 60 kilometers per hour, the clutch releases the engine to enter EV drive mode. Once the engine's maximum efficiency range is reached at high cruising speeds, the vehicle automatically switches to engine drive mode. When the vehicle decelerates, the clutch releases the engine regardless of the driving mode, and the electric servo brake system efficiently converts kinetic energy into electricity to recharge the battery. The Honda Intelligent Dual Clutch Drive System with one-motor dual-clutch transmission is a compact, lightweight, high-efficiency hybrid powertrain that achieves optimal control of the engine, motor, and transmission in a wide range of driving conditions to realize superior fuel economy and an exhilarating driving experience.
Sorry ass DJ.